We just bought an amazing property with zero competition in a very competitive market. And the best part of it is that the property was not even for sale. So in this video, let me share with you how we used our secret method to secure our first purchase. I am Greta, and behind camera is my husband Daniil, and together we are the Vnoutchkovs. And this year we jumped into a property game with barely any experience. We just got the keys of the property, so let's go and check it out. So once we started learning everything about properties, we quickly realized how much information actually is left out and has not been shared. And because this year our goal is to buy 3 large properties, renovate them, rent them out, and make a passive income, we thought we're gonna take you on a journey with us. And we're gonna share all the good, all the bad, and everything in between. We are here. Are you ready? So check out this property that we just purchased. Obviously, it needs quite a bit of work, but we are super excited to show you what we're gonna do with it. Let me tell you how we managed to secure this property without zero competition. When we first started to look to buy our first property, we quickly realized that we are not the only ones. There is other people, other investors looking to purchase exactly the same house as we do. And once you start looking for a property, we all do the same thing. We go to the Rightmove or Zoopla because that's where majority of the properties for sale are. But then again, that's where majority of the people are looking too. What happens then? You call an agent, you book a viewing, and then you're super excited to put an offer down on the property just to quickly realize that actually there is other people putting offer on the same property as you do. And then you end up in the bidding war against each other, driving price up and maybe not being even able to afford the property anymore. Or actually even worse, overpaying for it. Same applies to the auctions. You can actually find great properties for a great price and then end up in the same bidding war against other people and other investors. And yes, actually we did experience this ourselves too. And in the moment of bidding, actually we almost overbid our budget. But about this story in another video. We found our secret way of buying this amazing property that was not even for sale. So once we established the area where we would like to invest, we started to look around and we quickly realized that there is nothing for sale because the area is quite desirable and it's really close to the city center. So, we thought ourselves, why not? Let's have a look what there is for rent. Once we started to look for rental properties, we found exactly what we were looking for. There was a property for rent that was outdated, in need of a renovation, but it was a big property. So we called an agent, we arranged the viewing, and once we saw it, we immediately knew that this is the one. And we put an offer on the spot. And even if the property is not for sale, actually, agent by law has to present our offer to the seller. Once the seller got our offer, he actually was open for discussion and we went back and forth on the price a little bit and we actually agreed on a sale. So this is how we used our trick to purchase this property with zero competition. Obviously, this is not the only way of buying property, but it's definitely something you can keep in mind when searching. Our builders are starting renovation soon, and we are super excited to show you what we're gonna do with this property. If you want to find out why we bought this property, you should watch this video here. And in that video, we're gonna break down the purchase price, the reasons why we bought it, and we're gonna share our renovation plans with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I see you in the next one.